Essential for pouring fluids into a car without spills, mess, or wasted oil or coolant. My today's video is about top 5 best car funnel that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Coolant car funnel. The car funnel set is a must-have for every vehicle owner, combining versatility, convenience, and efficiency. This set includes one large flexible long funnel and 4 regular plastic funnels, covering all your automotive and household needs. The long hose design ensures easy access to hard-to-reach oil tanks, making oil changes faster and spill-free. The funnels feature a removable mesh screen strainer, perfect for filtering out debris or foreign particles when pouring engine oil, gasoline, or coolant, protecting your engine from contamination. A wide mouth design allows rapid filling, letting liquids flow smoothly without splashes or messes. Additionally, the handy side handle makes it easy to stabilize the long neck funnel with one hand, giving you full control while pouring. Durable, practical, and thoughtfully designed, this funnel set simplifies fluid changes and transfers, ensuring a cleaner, safer, and more efficient process. Ideal for car maintenance, fuel refills, or household liquid handling, it's an essential addition to any garage or toolbox. Now our second product is Swan Lake Garden Tools Car Funnel. The Coolant Funnel Kit is an essential tool for hassle-free, precise automotive maintenance. Designed to prevent spills and trapped air, it ensures smooth refills of your vehicle's cooling system, reducing the risk of squeaky belts and air pockets that can affect engine performance. This 15-piece kit offers universal compatibility with GM, Ford, and most import vehicles, working seamlessly with radiators and surge tanks. It includes specialized adapters to provide a secure fit across various models, while the integrated fluid stopper ensures a leak-proof seal, preventing drips and air bubbles when removing the funnel. With extended reach accessories, a 5-inch straight extension and two 2.5-inch angled elbows, the kit allows access to tight or hard-to-reach fill points in complex engine compartments. Crafted from high-quality, heat and chemical-resistant materials, this kit is built to withstand coolant fluids and engine temperatures, ideal for both professional technicians and DIY enthusiasts. The Coolant Funnel Kit makes engine cooling system maintenance safer, cleaner, and more efficient. Our third product is Turbold Car Funnel. The wide mouth funnel set is a must-have for any car owner or DIY mechanic, combining durability, convenience, and efficiency. Each funnel features a generous 5.7-inch mouth, allowing you to pour directly from large containers or buckets without worrying about spills. Constructed from strong polyethylene plastic, these funnels resist cracking and corrosion from oil, gasoline, diesel, kerosene, and other small engine fluids, ensuring long-lasting performance. Each funnel includes a threaded 0.6-inch spout, which easily attaches to the 9.8 flexible hose, providing precise, no-spill fluid transfers even in tight or hard-to-reach areas. The thoughtful handle design keeps your hands away from slippery fluids, offering both safety and control during use. Built to withstand frequent use, the funnels are easy to clean and maintain, promising years of reliable service. Ideal for oil changes, fuel top-ups, and other automotive or small engine tasks, this funnel set is a practical, durable, and convenient solution that every vehicle owner should have in their garage. Now number 4, SETI Car Funnel. The 18-piece car oil funnel adapter set is a game-changer for anyone performing oil changes, offering convenience, versatility, and durability. With 12 color-coded adapters, this set fits a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota, Lexus, Honda, Nissan, BMW, Mercedes, Ford, Audi, Volkswagen, Subaru, and more, making it perfect for both domestic and import cars. Each adapter features a rubber gasket for a no-spill, secure seal, allowing oil changes to be mess-free and efficient. The hands-free design lets you pour oil without holding the funnel, simplifying the process and reducing the risk of drips or spills. For easy organization, the set includes 2 magnetic storage trays, keeping all adapters neatly in place and readily accessible. Constructed from high-quality, heat and corrosion-resistant materials, this funnel set ensures long-lasting performance, even under tough conditions. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics alike, this oil funnel adapter set makes oil changes cleaner, faster, and more precise, offering a reliable solution for every vehicle in your garage. And our last choice is Smart Jerry Car Funnel. The Smart Jerry Radiator Coolant Funnel Kit is a must-have for anyone performing coolant changes or radiator maintenance. Designed with a translucent body and a clear 77 ounces, 2.3L scale, it allows precise measurement and control of coolant, preventing trapped air pockets that can cause erratic cooling or heater performance. This antifreeze funnel kit includes 5 adapters for caps, 2 straight extension tubes, and 2 angled 45 degrees elbows, providing compatibility with almost any domestic or imported vehicle, even in hard-to-reach areas under shrouds or fender wells. The specially designed rubber gasket on the adapter ensures a secure, leak-free fit, keeping your engine and cooling system clean during refills, flushing, or hose replacements. Unlike other kits, Smart Jerry features a built-in shutoff valve on the funnel itself, making coolant flow control simple, safe, and spill-free. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, this all-in-one radiator burping and coolant refill kit is ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics seeking efficiency and precision. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.